As the Easter season unfolds, many view it as a time for reunion with loved ones, an opportunity to spend meaningful moments with family while celebrating the resurrection of Jesus Christ. In an interview with Church of Uganda Family TV, the Fathers Union President of Namirembe Diocese reflected on the significance of Easter and its meaning for families.
First of all, we note this period occurs once in a year. And the important message I get from the Easter period is freeing me as a person from the bondage of sin. That's the major thing that I see. And sin means anything that God dislikes. This could be things like hatred. It can be something like even laziness. I think one time also the Pope was talking about it as also sin. It could be lost love. It could be all those things that at family level, I normally look at it at family level, they really do not take my family. It doesn't advance my family. So the important message that I get out of Easter is to say anything that enables me, that deters me from growth as a Christian, that's the time to reflect on it and put it to death.
He highlights that the Easter period serves as a powerful tool for bringing people, especially families, together, mentioning various activities they can engage in to strengthen their bond.
So it provides an opportunity for a family to be together. For instance, you can have an opportunity to fellowship together as a family. You can have an opportunity to do those things that you have been postponing, but that require you to work on as a family, now to be able to work on them together. There could be things that could be in a family where, because of the little time that you always have during the course of the week, maybe a spouse is not able to open up to you, or a child is not able to open up to you. With her and with him, you know, when we start this discussion, we'll need to take this discussion for maybe 2 or 3 hours. So when one gauges and say, will I be able to do it on a Monday when my husband has come back when she's tired, my spouse has come back when she's tired, maybe even the child also she has come back with homework. So this time can be used to say, let's have a fruitful discussion about that.
He emphasizes the importance of family outings and spending quality time together. In cases where one is not with their family, Christians are encouraged to celebrate the Easter season responsibly and with mindfulness.
When you are moving out for an outing, move out as a family. That's the message I can give to Christians, because that's what I can say God's intention. When you are moving out as for an outing, move out as a family. Except, of course, you could be studying. For instance, you may be, for instance, in Gulu University, and maybe the transport bring you back, you don't have it and take you back over the Easter holiday, but you can have friends that either you have the same faith, friends that you really trust, and you say, let's move out also as what? We can go out for an outing with friends that you know what you are going to do. What is taking you out there is not something that's going to defile you, but something that's going to build you.
As we come to the end of the Easter period, Engineer Wilbur Grace Naigambi also reflects on the freedom that we have been given as Christians through the resurrection of Jesus Christ, urging them to be free from sin.
So we thank God for his love for us, that we call ourselves free. And the Lord has promised us that we are now free. We are also called children of God. So the major message as we conclude this Easter season, are you really free? Have you freed yourself? Maybe something that has been bothering you over the last 1 month, it could be something or not forgiving. Somebody did something and it is still a burden on your heart. Have you been able to release it?
Hope Nyongereza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.